Your banking app is not your friend. It's a spending machine designed to make money invisible. Tap, swipe, done. You don't feel it leaving. And that's exactly how they want it. But here's what nobody told you. There's a method Gen Z is now obsessed with, and it was invented by your grandmother. Cash in envelopes. No app, no algorithm, no tricks. And the data says it works. People who switch to cash spend 30% less. Same income, same bills. 30%. Let me show you how. First, let's call it what it is. Digital payments were never designed to help you save. They were designed to remove friction. Less friction equals more spending. That's the entire business model. There's actual research on this. MIT did a study. When people pay with credit cards instead of cash, they're willing to spend up to 100% more, double, on the exact same item. Why? Because handing over physical cash activates the pain center in your brain. Literally, the same part that lights up when you stub your toe, it fires when you hand over real money. But when you tap a card, nothing. Dead silence. Here's what actually works. Cash stuffing. Simple. Brutally simple. You take out your entire budget in cash on payday. Then you split it into physical envelopes. One for groceries, one for rent, one for fun, one for transport. Jab envelope katum, spending katum. That's it. That's the entire system. No notification telling you still have $500 left in your entertainment budget. No app gamifying your spending with pretty charts that you'll ignore anyway. Just an empty envelope staring at you. And that empty envelope? That's the secret weapon. Because your brain can't negotiate with an empty envelope. It can't say just this one time. It can't round down the numbers. Meet Ahmed, someone writing in a notebook, counting cash at a table lit. Let me show you what this actually looks like in real numbers. Ahmed earns $3,200 a month. Take home. He budgets on an app, tries to save $400. End of the month, $0 saved. Every single month. He doesn't know where it went. Now, here's what happens when Ahmed switches to cash stuffing. Week 1, he goes to buy a $45 hoodie online. But he has to physically take $45 out of his fun envelope to deposit it first. And just touching that cash, feeling it leave his hand, he stops. He realizes he doesn't actually need it. That one moment saved him $45. Multiply that by 30 days. Ahmed's first month, he spent $620 less than his average. Not because he budgeted harder. Because cash hurts. Let that sink in. Same guy, same income, same bills, $620 difference, just by touching his money. How to start? So, how do you actually do this? Step 1. Next payday, withdraw your entire paycheck in cash. Yes, all of it. Step 2. Grab 6 envelopes, label them needs, rent, food, transport, fun, savings. Step 3. Fill each envelope with the budgeted amount. Savings envelope gets filled first, not last. First. Step 4. When an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. No transfers, no borrowing from groceries to fund a night out. Empty means done. Step 5. At the end of the month, whatever is left in fun or food goes straight into savings. Bonus round. This is not complicated. It's not supposed to be. The simplicity is the point. Here's the truth. Your banking app has more data scientists and behavioral psychologists on payroll than you have hours in the day. They engineered every notification, every animation, every you earned 2% cash back. Pop up to keep you spending. Cash stuffing removes the algorithm from your money. It's just you in the envelope. Try it for 1 month. Just one. Withdraw cash on your next payday. Stuff the envelopes. Touch your money. And comment below, what's the one thing you spend on every month that you know you shouldn't? For me, it used to be food delivery. $300 a month. Gone. Stop swiping. Start stuffing. I'll see you in the next one.